Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Naninga Koi. Have a seat, take your cup of coffee. We're gonna have fun. Basically, we're going to unbox my stuff or just show you basically what I got from AliExpress. So basically, guys, as the title says, or basically suggests, I got some nail stuff and I actually opened them and used a little bit, like this. Oh my goodness, you guys are not even seeing. But I basically DIY'd my nails and I always DIY my nails. I'm cheap like that. But anyway, let's just get into this video. So I got like a couple of stuff basically for nails. Yeah. So if you're planning to open a nail salon, well, the links are in the description box below. Yeah, so this is the first package that I got, and I said this one I opened it because I wanted to use some of this stuff. Yeah, these are just acrylics, they're not gel nails. That's why they're a different color. But I always DIY my nails because I can't go around like this, so I just like popping them off and stuff. But let's just get into the video. You don't want to hear me talking about how I DIY my nails. You're here for the whole Cindy. So let's just get into randomly like pulling things out, because I really can't remember what was in this package though. Oh, I can see now. So the first stuff that I got was a bunch of acrylics. Not acrylics, sorry, it's late at night, my brain is fuzzy. So I got a bunch of nail stickers, and these are a mix of like water decals, the ones that you have to put in water then stick. So these are just water decals and they're so fly. So basically your nails can look like this, like a sweater. This is a sweater pattern. So your nails can look like a sweater. They can also look like houndstooth. Yeah, these are all tweed if you want. These are tweed designs. And also I got these flowers ones that are so fly. So I got these flower ones. These are all water decals, so you have to put them in water before you stick so that it can detach from the whatever. And then I also got this thing. This is just something that you use to pick up these rhinestones, like this ones. These are rhinestones. So you use this to pick them up, and this one is it's sort of, you have to put like a clay or something to pick them up. So that is what I got, the first one. What next is in this packaging? Okay, yeah. This one, I was not happy with it because it turns out, I just read the word acrylics, 100 pieces, blah, blah, blah. And I was just like, throw it in the cat. No. This is a display basically for people who want to start a nail salon. You can display the nail polish colors on this. So it doesn't come in the sizes of nails. It's just one size. Like all these nails are one size, like literally one size. So it's not gonna fit your hands. So it's basically for display. So if you want to start a nail salon or you're looking for something to display like your, what are they called? Colors, nail polish colors, gel polish colors, gel nail colors. Yeah, you can get them. Description box. So I also got this is the clear one, and I also got the like natural color. So I was not happy with this one. Maybe I can gift them to somebody, but they're that cheap, like seriously. So yeah, and then we have this clay. This is the clay that you basically use to hold a nail when you're practicing. It's just like plasticine. So you can stick it at the end of that other thing. You can take this and stick a little bit at the end and use it to pick rhinestones. And you can also use it like to hold the nail as you apply the gel. That is if you're DIYing for yourself, especially because if it's a client, you don't need like the clay, yeah, because the nail will be on their finger. Yeah, so that's that. I also got rhinestones, which I already used. Oh, they are so pretty, like So there are different sizes, and yeah, I got like the clear ones and sort of like the black ones, the ones with the black undertone to them. So you need rhinestones if you want to use acrylics. Next, I got, oh, okay, yeah, the chains, like this one that I've put on this middle finger. So these are like nail chains. So there are different types, different sizes, like, you know, just for sticking on your nails and stuff. They're really easy to break. I even used a scissor just to break them, so they don't need any complication or something of the sort. Yeah, and then that's it for this packaging here. So happy it's over. Now the next packaging is also nail stuff. As I said, this was a nail stuff tutorial, not tutorial, haul, guys, haul. Yeah, so this is what do you call this? Those things that they look like chess pieces, but they're not chess pieces. They're just for sticking the acrylic nail on. It's like an acrylic nail holder, basically. What is written here? Nail tray. Yeah, so it comes with magnets, I believe. I haven't tested them out. I hope they work. Oh yes, they work. So this is a magnet. This other part here is a magnet. So you just take like these pieces here and stick them on the magnet, and then they hold up. And then you take this clay. You take this clay here and stick it on top, and then you stick your acrylic nails on top, and then now you can polish your acrylic nails without creating a mess and all that, or even your gel nails, whichever. So you just use this clay to stick the nails on top of this. Yeah, so that is neat. Ooh! The next thing, and I think the final thing among this, is this tiny one. I opened them just to check, also to confirm to the seller. So I got like toenails, fake toenails, if you don't know yet already. And the reason I got these fake toenails is because I actually have an AliExpress shoe haul coming up. Yeah, so look out for that. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that when it goes up, you don't miss it. When that shoe haul goes up, because those shoes are fire. Hey, those shoes are fire. Yeah, Butter let me down because they didn't have heels for. If you watched my Butter shoe video, you saw that I didn't get any heels from there because they didn't have my size. But surprisingly, the Chinese had my size. So I got AliExpress. I got AliExpress shoes, and I'm going to, yeah, if I've already put that video up, I'll put the link up here for the AliExpress shoe haul. So that's the reason I got this acrylics. You know, editing videos allows you to time travel. So I haven't yet filmed the shoe haul. Yeah, but I'll link it up here, yes, for you guys to watch. Yeah, so the acrylic nails for the toes, I just got these neon green ones and this white ones, so I'm excited to try them out, watch that video and see how they turned out. So that is it, guys, that I got for like manicure pedicure stuff of AliExpress. Yeah, and this video is not sponsored at all, and thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you haven't yet subscribed and you've reached this point in the video, najua wase tumesota, lakini hata mimi I'm going to do a video literally on how I normally like save money in order to buy this stuff. It's cheap stuff. I mean, like the rest of the world considers it cheap, but if you live in Kenya, you know that the economy is bad. We cannot leave food and buying toenails. Yeah, but I'm gonna do a whole video on that. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao. Good night, or good morning, or good evening. Bye.